The SmarterHumans Browser Extension is only available for Chromium-based browsers such as Chrome, Edge, Brave, Opera, and Arc. The extension has many capabilities, but the most important is the ability to produce AI-generated flashcards and notes that are deep linked to the exact location on a web page or time in an online video that is the source for the relevant content. It is important to pin the extension to the browser toolbar so that you can click to activate it when you need to use it on a web page or while viewing an online video. The first time that you open the extension, you'll need to click the Login button. This will open the SmarterHumans web application in a new browser tab. After that happens, return to the browser tab where you just clicked the Login button. I'll begin by showing you how to use the extension on a web page, using the Wikipedia page as an example. The most important tool on the extension is the AI Playground. You can access it by first clicking Full Page Actions and then selecting the Playground. In a few seconds, you'll see a set of AI-generated flashcards appear. At the top is a tag created from the web page's title. You can add more tags that will all be applied to all flashcards you save. We suggest that you save flashcards individually rather than saving all of them. Curate your flashcard collection carefully so you don't end up burdened with memorizing concepts and facts that aren't truly important to you. There is a Save All button at the bottom if you really want to save all the flashcards. Additionally, you're likely to see a counter because long pages may require multiple presses of the Generate More button to achieve coverage of the entire page. For a long Wikipedia page, we may generate many hundreds of flashcards before the entire page is covered. This counter shows the number of generations created so far and the total number needed to achieve complete coverage of the page. Additionally, in the whole page view of the AI Playground, you can view a summary we've generated covering the entire web page. You can edit this note if you like and then save it. The note will be placed in a collection we'll create in the app's Notes section. Any additional notes you save, linked to text and regions of interest on this web page, will be placed in that same collection. You should also explore Concepts view in the Playground. Here you'll see a list of all of the key concepts present throughout the entire web page that our AI has identified. Each concept has a number, and a matching light bulb with that number appears to the left of the text on the page where that concept is discussed. If you click a concept, the page will scroll to bring the relevant light bulb into view, and the beginnings of a note will be created for that concept, with the link source text placed in the body of the note. As usual, you're free to edit this note before you save it. We also generate useful content to help you understand each concept. This content includes metaphors, analogies, and explanations provided at 5 different levels of complexity. You can save any of these you like, and they'll be appended to your note. If you do save the note, it will be placed in the collection we created for the web page. Even if you don't save the note, you can use the AI-generated content to help you comprehend challenging concepts on the page. Also, in the Full Page Actions, you can click to save the entire web page as a PDF in your library. The web page must not require a login, as that would prevent our servers from accessing the content. You can use our text selection tool to select individual passages of text that you wish us to generate deep-linked flashcards or notes. You can only link one flashcard or note to your text selection. With our screenshot tool, you can create a flashcard or note deep linked to a region of interest on the page. Typical regions of interest include images, formulas, and tables. It's particularly useful to snip a screenshot of a page region and convert it into a redaction flashcard, where you can mask portions of the image and challenge yourself to recall what lies behind the redacted areas during retrieval practice. It's worth mentioning that when you're viewing a note back in the app, you can trigger the generation of an entire set of deep-linked flashcards to passages of text in your note. When you practice these flashcards, the source button opens the relevant note at the linked location so you can refresh your memory. You can also use our browser extension to generate flashcards and notes, deep linked to the timecodes and videos that you're watching on YouTube, Coursera, and Udemy. The most important tool we offer when watching videos also is the AI Playground. Click it and a set of flashcards will be generated, each deep linked to its relevant time code in the current 5-minute segment of the video. You will likely need to click the Generate More button several times. For example, a 1-hour video will require 11 clicks of the Generate More button to cover the entire 60 minutes. You can also get an in-depth summary note of the entire video and save it to a collection we'll create for you in the Notes section of the app. This summary note is extremely useful and can save you a lot of time by helping you pick and choose which videos are worth watching. You can also create a flashcard linked to a particular time in the video. We'll generate some flashcards, but you can choose only one to be linked to that time. Alternatively, you can manually create a flashcard and we'll start you off by pasting in approximately the last 15 seconds of transcript leading up to that time in the video. Similarly, you can create a note linked to any particular time code, and you'll receive an AI-generated note, or if you prefer to draft one manually, we'll start you off with the last 15 seconds of the transcript for you to optionally use. You can save any YouTube video to your library, where you can also watch it in the app and create linked flashcards and notes. This feature is not available for videos on Coursera or Udemy. Finally, you must have the browser extension installed to import your Kindle highlights into the Notes section of our app.